All right. Ooh, my lighting is terrible. Let's do this. That's a little better. All right. Today is Friday, August 7th. Um, the market's closed now, so let's take a look at the trades and see what ended up happening, right? We have oil still doing our thing. Prices had that lower high on the daily time frame, so we'll see how this pushes going into next week. GU did exactly what I said it was going to do, so I should not have closed it, but I did, which was quite annoying. But see, price ended up pushing higher anyway, so the close I made was basically a stupid close, which is something that I do regularly. My stop loss was way down here, and I ended up not trusting my trade, and it actually pushed higher from NFP. So that's something that I'm going to be focusing on coming into the other weeks. Is I know I look at the higher time frame, so if the weekly is telling me one thing, that it's going to push in a certain direction, I need to believe that. And I saw a video the other day, I think yesterday. It was just like so many people blow accounts simply just because they are obviously over trading. I'm not over trading, but he was saying many people's stop losses are in places that where if they get stopped out, it doesn't force them to reassess the trade. It makes them feel like your trade was just simply wicked out, or that it's still going to go your way. And in this case, none of those was that, right? It was actually just me fearful, I guess you would say. I was just afraid that, hey, NFP is coming, the market structure is shifting, but nothing was really invalidated in this trade. That's the thing. So I simply just closed just to close, so I lost $34 for no reason, right? Granted, it's $34 now, so that's not a big thing, but when my account is bigger, that could have been a much bigger loss. That could have been a couple $1,000 loss for no reason. So it's something that I need to fix now and make sure that this isn't a recurring issue. And yeah, but I have full confidence that GU is going to go to that 1.36 whatever level for buys. So there's another respected area that I can get into next week. So I'll be looking to trade from that to continue this buy up. But yeah, so that was a big mistake this week for me. But I am proud of the week I had. I still had a profitable week, $175, and I'm in oil right now as well. So as long as nothing crazy happens over the weekend with the news and things like that, and oil opens up good, and tomorrow next week we continue pushing to the downside, that'll be another big win, right? And there's also some setting up for next week too. There's UFC Chef that looks really good for sells. I'm not on my computer because I'm not home, so it's kind of hard to show you guys, but I'm definitely expecting to have another good week next week. If the market presents itself with opportunity, which it's looking like it's going to, and we'll continue from there. But yeah, I just need to have a little more trust and a little more faith in that higher time frame, and having my stop losses in areas that are completely invalidated off that higher time frame, making sure that like if my trade goes hit stop loss, I'm invalidated completely and I need to reassess. So, and then trusting my trade until I'm invalidated. So that's going to be the big focus going into next week. So, but for now, that's gonna be it for me. I will be busy all weekend, and then next week on Sunday you'll see me, and we'll talk from there to see what it looks like. But either way, I noticed from my back testing on TradeZella that me trading Tuesday, placing a trade Tuesday through Thursday has a higher probability of me placing trades on Monday, Sunday, or Friday. So I'm going to be doing that from now on too. So I probably will not be placing trades until Tuesday, and then going from there. So I will see you when that happens. And until then, remember that I love you, God loves you, and I will see you in that next video.